Um, Good day, my name is Joan Andrela Maya Portillo, and today I'm going to present my innovative project, which I have called Nova Space Discovery. Our objective for this presentation is create an innovative project about recent space news through a PowerPoint presentation and create a video. Our Bible principle is the Lord is the creator of all things. We must worship him. Jeremiah 32:17. Start off, we can see we're going to start with black holes. I insert an image with some of the specifications of black holes and how we can identify them. Black hole. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. Common questions about black holes. How big are black holes? Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think that the smallest black hole are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny, but have the mass of a large mountain. Mass is the amount of matter or stuff in an object. This is trying to tell us that black holes can have very, very much mass or little mass. Have you seen in the previous presentation, we saw a really big black hole, and this one is a. How is NASA studying black holes? NASA is using satellites and telescopes that are traveling in space to learn more about black holes. The spacecraft help scientists answer questions about the universe. And the last and most scary question is, could a black hole destroy Earth? Black holes do not go around in space eating stars, moons, and planets. Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. And that's a huge relief. Physicists are currently in a golden age of new knowledge about black holes. Since 2015, researchers have been able to get signals directly from emerging black holes using the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, in its prefix is LIGO, while observatories like the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, have produced the first image of a black hole shadow. Take a look at some of the most spectacular black hole findings of 2020. And this is a recent discovery that I will explain just now about what black holes have been done in 2020 and 2021. LIGO sees its biggest black hole crash yet. LIGO detects a lopsided merger. Telescopes watch a black hole spaghettify a star. Closest black hole ever spotted. And dangerous naked black holes could lurk in the universe. We can hear black holes are getting closer, and not tons of them are getting discovered every day. A million new galaxies. A million new galaxies. Sydney, a powerful new telescope in Australia, has mapped vast areas of the universe in record time. The Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder was able to chart about 3 million galaxies in just 300 hours, 1 million of which have never seen before. Galaxies are the building blocks of the universe. From a remote corner in the Western Australia outback, a new telescope, which has turned radio signals in space into images, has examined the entire southern sky in sharper detail than has been ever done. The telescope is not just one dish or antenna, but 36. They are 3 stories high and connected by fiber optic cable, so designed to work as one super telescope. Amazing. The arrays is helping scientists study black holes, the nature of gravity, and the origins of the first stars by cataloging millions of galaxies. Scientists hope to unlock the secrets of how the universe has. As we can see in the second image behind the text, we can see 3 of the 36 telescopes they have in the area in Sydney. And I must say that the area in Sydney was selected by this laboratory because it's very far from the city and very far from any magnetic that can interfere between the telescopes and space. This is one of the largest field of telescopes that there is in the world. Now I can talk about the ghostly radio circle. And that's what astronomers said when they discovered this, since it was something that nobody could explain and can't explain. Since this is a different recent discovery, we must say that people are still studying. Ghostly radio signals. A recent report by Space.com has revealed some shocking details about the universe. In September 2019, astronomers came across interesting objects while browsing through new radio astronomical data of the Australian SKA Pathfinder telescope, one of the telescopes in Australia that I've already talked about. Astronomers noticed weird shapes that couldn't be easily to known type of objects. The astronomers dubbed these objects as ORC or odd radio circles for time being, but also calling them ghostly circles based on their appearance. The report by Ray Norris, an astrophysics and science communicator based at the CSIRO Australian Telescope National Facility and Western Sydney University, has been published in the OPED section of Space.com. The astrophysics reveals that his colleague Anna Kapsinka had brought these weird-looking bubbles to notice of other scientists. As you can see in the images, what they could see, which is very rare and very unknown. What are these odd radio circles? Norris revealed in his article that at first, astrophysics suspected an imaging artifact, perhaps generated by a software error. However, upon further probing, it became clear that they were real. But it is still unclear how big or far away they are. There is a high possibility that they could be objects from our galaxy, perhaps only a few light years across. But there is also a chance that they could be far away in the universe and maybe millions of light years across. The mystery behind these ghostly circles still being studied and still unknown. And as that, I must say bye to this presentation, which was a very interesting project that we could see. I've learned about a lot of Space Research Center, telescope, and all of that. Thank you for your attention and blessings, Mr. and everyone who's going this video.